Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Pronunciation Pro podcast. Today, I'm giving you something very special, something that I hope becomes part of your daily routine. You know how athletes warm up before a game or singers warm up before they perform? Well, confident speakers warm up too. If you want to speak English clearly and confidently, not just sometimes, but consistently, then your voice and your speech muscles need to get a daily workout. This episode is going to guide you through a 5-minute pronunciation warm-up that you can follow every single day. You can do it in the morning before work, in the car, while walking. You can do it anywhere. This short routine will warm up your breath and posture, activate your mouth muscles, train your ear and voice for tricky sounds, practice rhythm, stress, and intonation, and finish with a confidence boost. Are you ready? Let's warm up that powerful voice of yours. Okay, let's start by standing tall. If you can, stand with your feet about hip width apart. Relax your shoulders. Lift your chest. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body open up. Do it again. Feel that energy filling your chest in through your nose. And when your body is open, your voice becomes stronger. And so let's do that again. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Now gently roll your shoulders back and down. Loosen up your jaw with a little ah. Good. You're getting your body ready to speak like a leader. Now, let's wake up your articulation muscles. So this is your lips, your tongue, and your jaw. Let's start with some lip drills. Ba 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 pa pa pa. So we're activating that voice with the ba 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 ba, and with the voiceless pa 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 pa. So go ahead and do that a few times with me. Ba 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 ba. And maybe some M sounds. Okay, let's do some kind of tongue R drills with me. Okay, the R is a very tricky sound to get your mouth fully back. So let's do ra 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 or ga ga gur 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 ra ra gur 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 gur. Okay. Let's do a light touch sound. La, 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 with that L sound at the beginning. La, 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 la. Now about the D. Da, 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 da. Get your tongue moving. Good. Now let's exaggerate our vowel sounds. Okay. Vowels are very, very tricky and can be difficult to kind of differentiate between. So this is really going to open up your ears and your mouth for those vowels. We're going to start with the long vowels. Okay, that's going to really help open up your sounds and open up your mouth. And then we'll do the short vowels. So A. Okay, that's in hey, hey, A. Now E. Like in he. Long I. Like in height. long O. O, 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 O. Like in home, home, home. U, U. Like in huge, huge, huge. Okay, those are the long vowel sounds. Now let's go through the short vowel sounds. Ah, 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 ah. That's short A. Ah, as in hat, 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 hat. Short E. E, eh, 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 eh. Short E. Eh, eh, eh. Like in hen, 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 hen. Short I. I, 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 I. Like in hit, 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 hit. Okay. Short O, like in ah, 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 such as hot, 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 hot. Okay. Short U, uh, 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 like in hug, hug, hug. Hey, if you need to go back through that again, that's totally fine. Just tune your ear to those vowels so you can hear them yourself and repeat them. So saying them with me through that exercise. Okay, let's repeat one more time. A, E, I, O, U. Now the short vowels. A, I, ah, Hey, feel your lips and your jaw stretching. These movements make your speech clearer and more precise. Vowels are so important in that clarity. All right, our next step, let's focus on some high impact sounds that many non-native speakers struggle with. Okay, we'll practice a few final consonants and tricky pairs together. And we'll also go over a drill with the TH sound. So repeat after me, slowly first, then more naturally. Cap, cab, cap, cab, cap, cab. Rice, rise, rice, rise, rice, rise. Think, sink, think, sink, think, sink. Very, berry, very, berry, very, berry. Okay, let's say them again, but this time imagine you're speaking in a meeting. So, you want to slow down, move your mouth, speak louder, throw your voice to the other end of the room. Okay? Cap, cab, cap, cab. Rice, rise, rice, rise. Think, sink, think, sink. Very, berry, very, berry. Great. Now let's put those sounds in some short sentences. Okay. Please cap the bottle. Please cap the bottle. Please cap the bottle. I'll send you the rice recipe. I'll send you the rice recipe. I'll send you the rice recipe. I think it's important. I think it's important. I think it's important. This is very exciting. This is very exciting. This is very exciting. Okay, focus on finishing each word clearly. Don't let those final sounds disappear. Okay? Overemphasizing is okay during a warm-up because it gets your voice activated. Now we're going to bring it all together with sentence rhythm and stress, the kind of the music of English. So repeat after me and really feel the emphasis on the bold and on kind of these bolder words or these important words. All right. I need to finish this report by today. I need to finish this report by today. I need to finish this report by today. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. I'd like to share my perspective. I'd like to share my perspective. I'd like to share my perspective. Remember, English rhythm often highlights the keywords and shortens the small ones in between. So say it one more time, but this time imagine you're in front of your team, leading with confidence. Okay, we're going to say each sentence once. I need to finish this report by today. Let's get started. Thank you for joining us today. I'd like to share my perspective. One thing that I want you to kind of do with the TH sound too is the TH sound tends to be one of the most difficult sounds to remember to use in connected speech and conversation. So I do want to add an extra sound practice with the TH sound. So this, that, those, them. This, that, those, them. Okay? The, with. So this, that, those, them, the, with. The, with. Okay, get your tongue between your teeth for those TH sounds. And now let's finish strong. I want you to say this with me out loud. Take a deep breath and confidently say, my voice is strong, my message matters. Say it again louder this time. My voice is strong, my message matters. One last time with confidence. My voice is strong, my message matters. Yes, that's the energy I want you to carry into your day. Okay, that's it, my friends, your 5-minute daily pronunciation warm-up. This little routine may seem simple, but if you do it every single day, it will strengthen your speech muscles, improve your clarity and fluency, boost your confidence before you speak. Okay, just like brushing your teeth, this should become a daily habit. Warm up your voice before meetings, interviews, presentations, and even casual conversations. If you want to make this stick, save this episode and use it every morning. Okay, better yet, do this warm up and then pull out a book in English or an article in English, something that you're already reading, and read out loud for another 2 minutes from this, using this awareness, using this deliberate practice, and stressing and emphasizing key words, key sounds, and keep that momentum going for another 2 to 5 minutes, okay, in that out loud reading practice, okay? Thank you for joining me today. Remember, your voice is powerful, and the world needs to hear what you have to say clearly and confidently. Okay, we'll see you again in the next episode.
Pronunciation Pro.